Hey everyone! The moment we've been waiting for is finally here. The new meeting experience is rolling out inside of Microsoft Teams. It hit my tenant this morning, so I'm going to walk you through how to go to your settings, find the option to turn on the new meeting experience, and getting that going for you. I've been in 2 meetings with it so far today. It's awesome. So let's do this. From inside of Teams, we want to come up to the very top. Either click on your profile picture or your initials, however you've got that set up, and come on down to Settings. When Settings opens, it will be this last little checkbox under Application. You can tell I've already got mine done. So click New Meetings and Calls will open in separate windows. This does require a restart of Teams. So don't just close Teams after you check this. You'll want to actually select it, then right-click and quit Teams. Then go to your start menu, type it in, and relaunch. It's that simple. Once that's done, the next time you join a meeting, it will pop out in a new meeting window. Let me show you what that looks like. All right, I went to my calendar. I selected my new meeting experience demo meeting. All I'm going to do is join a meeting just like I would any other meeting. Notice I've got a new window already, and it wants me to select my experience. And when I click Join Now, pretty great. Here's my new meeting toolbar, right? It's right up across the top. The buttons have changed position a little bit. It'll take some getting used to, but I think I'm going to like it. We still have more actions dead center with the same commands we have had all along. And notice I can move this out of the way. And I've still got my Teams back here. So if someone comes and chats real quick, or I need to go to my team to find a document inside of my channel that corresponds with what we're talking about on the meeting, I've got it right here. It's great. No more having to have Teams open in the web browser and the desktop application. Fantastic. Thank you, Microsoft. And that's all there is to it to get the new Microsoft Teams meeting experience. I can't wait to hear what you think about it. So find me on Twitter or Instagram at Joy of SharePoint and tell me what you think about the new meeting experience and maybe even your favorite features inside of Microsoft Teams. Thanks so much.